What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. You can check my current inventory at interceptorking.com. This is a 2012 Dodge Charger with a 5.7 liter Hemi. It's got 111,000 miles on it. It's always been professionally maintained and upkept with the 5.7 liter Hemi. 370 horsepower from the factory. It is a blizzard out here right now. Thought winter was over. Anyways, runs and drives great. Has a carpet. Has a vinyl cushion back seat. Has a vinyl cushion back seat that's really nice. Has all the proper seat belts. We'll get in it real quick and go down the road. These are awesome cars. I love it. Carpet kit. This one's got all the plug-ins right here. It's got the auto stick. Push that. You can manually shift it. Or you could leave it in first gear, and when it redlines, if you're getting on it, it'll automatically shift when it redlines. I'm going to manually shift it right there, and I'll manually shift it into third right there. And I'll put it back into automatic. So it only uses 4 cylinders. It's got the multi-displacement system that only uses 4 cylinders when 8 aren't needed. Gets up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway with an average of 25. I drove to the Canadian border and back to Central Oregon, and I averaged 27 miles per gallon on the whole trip. Right there it says Eco, which means it's only running on 4 cylinders. No, it's not. Traction control, the electronic stability program is right here, right there. Push that if you want your traction control and all that other stuff on there. If you don't, you just press it and it'll take it off. So anyway, runs and drives great. Jump on the highway here real quick. I got 2 of these. They're identical. The one I parked one at the car dealership today. It's another 2012 with the black on top and silver 2-tone paint job. It's got what, 11, 12, 13. It's got like 13 or 14,000 less miles than this one, and it runs and drives great too. It's identical to this one. Got a dome light. It goes red one way, white the other way. There's another dome light back there in the back, actually. Show that vinyl seat one more time. Yeah, interceptorking.com for current inventory. You can like us on Facebook at Interceptor King Auto Sales. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Interceptor King. Jump on the highway real quick. I'm going to manually shift it down to first gear. And I'm just going to let it shift when it redlines all by itself. It's got the auto stick engaged. Alright, you guys have a great day. InterceptorKing.com. Bye.